catching. Swing and a miss from Hal Yu Lee to start his at bat.
Another great pitch right there, curveball. The Saints have allowed 101 runs, Matt, in the first inning. That's the fourth most in all minor league baseball. And in those games, they're 19-32. So it would really behoove the Mud Hens if they could get off to an early lead.
The 0-1, Lee, big. And the next pitch upstairs is in the hunt. The 1-2 is up and in. I know you got that.
Over Scranton in the third, and Buffalo's beating Indianapolis.
All right, swing and a miss. Ball dropped. They'll have to throw down to first to complete the strikeout, and they do. Change up. Strikes out 2 in a row to start the game for Pearson Ohl. To Hal Yu Lee facing Pearson Ohl. There is
To me, he's now 6th in runs scored with 73. You know, since the start of the season.
the 1-1 is slap foul back to the screen. That off the bat of Hal Yu Lee. 50 RBIs on the year to go with 12 homers in his first taste of AAA baseball. Ohl has a 1-2 count. Delivers high with a curveball. And the 2-2. Low and outside. Runs it full. 3 balls. 3-2 is swung on and missed. There's that changeup.
It's been devastating today.
So Ohl strikes out Lee for the second time. It'll bring up Justin Henry Malloy, who he hit with a pitch back in the first inning. And the pitch going to be a chopper right up the middle. Lee's got to wait for it. He'll get one out there, and the throw's going to be a little bit low. He had to really wait for that and then fire basically all in one motion. And the throw pulls Valencia off the bag. They get the front man, but it'll be a fielder's choice.
Yeah, that ball wasn't hit hard, and he wanted to make sure to get the one out. Yep, and Valencia did miss him. That was the correct call by the umpire. Give the Mud Hens a commanding lead here with a base hit.
And Lee waiting. First pitch swinging. He's going to drive one just foul down the first. But we'll be pretty close on this Saturday evening. Pitch is going to be outside corner for a strike. Nope. 0-2 pitch way outside. Running a ball in 2. Don't you worry in September.
Oh, yeah.
1-2 will be grounded slowly to short. There'll be one play there for Holland, and no, safe at first is Lee. Hal Yu Lee beat it.
See how that scored, but I really, Parker Meadows deserves some credit on this. He was busting it from the very moment that ball was hit. If he was just cruising to second, he could have easily got the force there.
The 0-1 hammered up the middle. That's going to be a base hit. In comes Nito. Here comes Meadows. Over to third goes Lee. And a 2-run, 2. The 3-2. Runners are on the move, and a base hit to right field. Malloy will easily get to third. He'll stop there. Scoring is Lee. And the pitch to Hal Yu Lee is a bit low. Ball 1.
Well, the Mud Hens got a couple early last night and didn't score the rest.
Oh, you should be out of the booth for saying that word. Ground ball hit slowly to second. That'll move Meadows from second to third. Quite a game.
Yeah, oh yeah.
They have had the 6-run. And the pitch will be a bit low. And a drive high in the air. This is deep to right field. Gone! Hal Yu Lee. Big fly in the 7th. Make it 12-1.
That's the thing I like about Hal Yu Lee. Didn't try to pull that ball, hit it where it was pitched, and showed great opposite field power.
Oh, and the faithful here at Fifth Third Field They can't get enough. Home run number 13 on the year. 103 off the bat. He hit it 359 feet. And for the Mud Hens, their second home run of the night. And hit number 12 on the evening.
12 runs, 12 hits. You got to like that.
No, making every hit count.
Yes.
Hao Yu Lee coming to the plate. Hao Yu Lee homered his last time up. Part of a two-hit attack for him. 2 for 5 at the plate. Ramirez ready. 1 strike pitch. Lifted in the air. Foul down the right.
You know what? These games seem so much faster when you're ahead.
Yes.
13-1. Now, if we were
Ramirez ready. And a drive down the right field line. That is foul off the bat. Yep. Well, they paid him a little bit of money.
Oh.
Probably should play him. Consult Bruce Johnson. Wow, I wonder how Bruce Johnson feels about it. 2-2 is grounded to second. They'll go to second 1. Relay is not in time. Good run up the line by Lee. Now Cruz is out. Fielder's choice for Lee. Hustling all the way through out. It'll bring up Justin Henry Malloy, who's, listen to his night. Hit by a pitch.